one of the biggest things, one of the hardest things to do is to not hold the leash all the time. Because our brain says, oh, we gotta hold on to it. Well then, when you tell that person, hey, you gotta give the horse reins, if they are brave, they just abandon the reins. I don't want either of those extremes. I want you to be on a loose rein, but also have it easy to communicate with your horse. So, I grab this horse, center rein. Center rein is the middle, like over the withers if the reins are even. I ask this horse to walk off. She walks off. As soon as she starts speeding up, I wait till she bends. Then I back her up crooked, release the outside rein. Back her up crooked, release the outside rein. Back her up crooked, release that outside rein.